I know exactly what's in those things, I think.
What?
Maybe I
But
don't.
it's good.
Oh, Polly,
What could it be?
Popcorn.
Thank you.
15 pounds of thinking like that.
What you got?
I thought it was a bed race.
You're on video.
Oh, I am?
Uh-oh. Those you can't keep, guys. You gonna go, baby? Huh? What do you think?
It's the traditional handmade plywood.
It is.
They have blanket. Some people,
Yeah.
like that culture, they still live like this.
Like dirt floor and everything.
Dirt floor and cats, but that is not, it's not.
Oh no, I'm just filming because it's so fun. Look at this.
So we have a lot of our team members who actually work here make a lot of the stuff, including the collars.
Thank you guys so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
It was so amazing.
We're happy to have you.
Thanks for spending the day with us.
Oh my god!
That is huge.
Whoa.
Oh, fish.
Come on,
I want
somebody.
him. I want him. Get him.